What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be going over the first 10 things that you need to do when you first get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy A03s. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first up on the list, we're going to have how to customize the clock style. And the one reason I'm telling you to do this, it's because this phone allows you to do a lot of customizations all over the place. And I think that whenever you're about to unlock your phone, maybe you're just looking at the time, it's a really nice thing to be able to customize the clock to your own liking. So I would recommend you to do that, and all you have to do is open up your phone and go to your settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go all the way down to where it says lock screen, and here you're going to see clock style. You're going to have a ton of options. As you can tell, you have 5 options, and you can also change the color themes to them so they can look whatever you want them to look like. Then we're going to have the battery saver, and most smartphones these days come with good battery life and last throughout the day, especially this phone. However, you may face certain situations where you would want to extend your battery life of your Samsung Galaxy device further. So if you know you're going to be away from the charger for a long time, you might want to save up some juice for emergency situations. That's where the various power saving modes on the One UI come into the picture. Samsung phones comes with 3 different battery modes. You're going to have the normal, the mid power saving, and the max power saving. So depending on the situation, you can switch between these modes, and to access that option, you're going to go to your settings, and then you're going to go to device care. Then you're going to go to battery and power saving. Then we're going to have the edge panels, and the edge panel was first introduced to add extra functionality to the curved edges on the Samsung flagships. Since then, it has made its way to several Samsung phones, and it's a great tool if you multitask a lot on your phone. It's a small translucent bar that rests on the edge of your display. Tapping on the bar reveals several options like quick shortcuts, favorite contacts, media controls, clipboard, and more. The way to activate it is by just going to your settings and heading to display. Once you're on display, you're going to go to edge screen and enable the toggle right next to the edge panels. I would also recommend you to customize it to your own liking by just clicking on this title right here, which will take you to the menu of the customization for the edge panels. Then we're going to have dual apps, and Samsung has added a nifty feature in One UI that lets you create a cloned version of an app and use 2 versions of the same app on your phone. So if you have 2 SIM cards and you want to use the 2 WhatsApp accounts or 2 versions of Facebook Messenger for 2 different accounts, you'll be able to do it natively by following the simple steps. That mean going to your settings, then you're going to head to your advanced features and select Dual Messenger. Here you will see a list of apps installed on your device that can be duplicated into a secondary app. Next up, we're going to have the customization of the navigation bar, and honestly you can tell at the bottom of the screen that we're going to have this navigation bar that includes the 3 little bars, the square, and the little arrow on the right side. But if you want to switch it up for a gesture type of navigation, you just have to go to your settings and then you're going to go to display. Right here on display, you're going to go all the way down to where it says navigation bar. And right here, you're going to have the option to either have the buttons that they usually come with the phone, or you can just select the swipe gestures. This way, that little navigation bar that we have right here at the bottom, it's going to automatically disappear and be replaced by the navigation gestures. Next up, how to customize the side key. So this side key right here that we have to usually lock our device does hide a function if you double press on it, and the way you can select it and change it from what it comes regularly, which is a quick launch, to the camera, you just have to go to your settings and then you're going to go all the way down to advanced features. Right here on advanced features, we're going to see side key, and once you select on it, you have the option to either keep it on quick launch camera or you can decide if you want to open an app anytime you double click it. It's all about your preference. Then next up, we are going to have the customization of the font size and also the style. So another part of customizing your device when you first get it, it's feeling comfortable with the font size and also the font style that you have on your device, since you're going to be reading from it every single day, every single time. To do this, right here, we're going to go to our settings and head to display. Right here in the display area, we're going to see the font size and also the style. And right here is going to let us go on size, or maybe put it a little bit smaller, and also change the font size, which is really good because it means that everything is under our control, and anything we choose, it's how our phone is going to look like. Then we're going to have customization of the home screen, and the beauty of Android is that you can customize various aspects of your phone to no limits. While some customizations require additional apps like launchers or mods for power users, like the app Good Luck that we talked about before, you get a ton of options inbuilt, especially on Samsung devices. The home screen of your device is where you interacted when you first unlocked your device, so it's a good idea to customize it as per your liking. To do this, just tap and hold on an empty area on your home screen to bring up the home screen menu. Then tap on home screen settings. And here you can choose the home screen grid size, enable or disable notification badges on apps, and even hide your apps from the app drawer. Then second to last, we're going to have transfer data from an old phone, and Samsung gives you a nice option to migrate your data from an older phone to your new Galaxy phone, and it's called Samsung Smart Switch. And the option to use it is presented to you while setting up your new Samsung device. What's cool is that by using this process, you can transfer all your existing data from your old smartphone to your new device, and that includes apps, messages, photos, and more. And lastly, we're going to have disable ads. So the first thing you do when you get a new phone, apart from inserting your SIM card into it, of course, is going through the initial setup process. This is quite straightforward as the instructions are displayed on the screen as you navigate through the entire process. However, there are a few options during setup that, if selected, may not result in an ideal experience while using the phone. So you really want to keep an eye on that. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.